Jess, and today I thought I would do a get ready with me with my everyday makeup routine because I have not done a get ready with me in a cool minute. So if you guys see kind of a mess in the background, it's just sections out for a haul I'm doing over here, and this is another video. I was actually trying to be organized by setting out things that I'll need for each video, so it's not a mess, I promise. It's supposed to be there. And also, yes, I know I have super dark eye circles. They're always there. They're kind of permanent. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm using is the Mirakle Moisturizing Cream by the Better Skin Company. Actually launching an Ulta soon, so if you guys want to pick that up from Ulta, all I do is I take some and I dab it everywhere. I just blend it in. Right before this, I like toned and cleaned my skin with some witch hazel. If you guys haven't heard me talk about witch hazel before, it's amazing. I love using witch hazel as my toner, and it really gets like a lot of those things that makeup wipes or like facial cleanser misses that are deep in your pores. I think my skin looks pretty good. I rarely get pimples anymore. I do have like dark under eye circles, and I do get like some redness here, but for the most part, like my skin has been super clear, and I feel like it's all because of this moisturizer and the witch hazel. Next thing, I'm just going to apply some of my Rosebud Salve. This is just my go-to lip balm, but definitely try out Rosebud Salve because it's just so incredibly moisturizing. Like, it's so good. Now while my moisturizer is like soaking into my skin, I'm going to get started on my eyes. I am using the Just Peachy Too Faced palette, and I really recently got this and I am so obsessed with it. It has like all my favorite shades in eyeshadows, and I think it's just so pretty. And every time I've heard a beauty guru talk about this palette, they're like, oh my gosh, it smells exactly like peaches. I kind of never believed them, but it like legit, I swear, smells like peaches. And it smells so good. Like, I like wearing this because it smells so nice. I'm going to prime my eyelids with some concealer. These three brushes are literally the brushes that I use every day to do my eyeshadow. So I'm taking this little guy. I'm going to apply this color, which is Peaches and Cream, on my eyelid. Then I'm going to apply this color in my crease. And then I'll probably apply like this color mixed with a little bit of this color in my like outer corner. I hate my under eye circles. That's like my biggest insecurity, TBH. Okay, so I'm just applying this Peaches and Cream shade on my lid. And if for some reason I'm doing a bad technique, build a bridge and get over it, because I'm not a beauty guru. This is just my current everyday makeup routine. Now I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and apply that brown peach tea shade into my crease. Just nice and lightly. I think this is just like the prettiest crease shade. I'll tell you guys a little bit about my favorite YouTube channels that I like to watch. So if you guys like conspiracy theories or kind of just like weird things, my favorite YouTuber is Kendall Rae. She does the best like conspiracy theory type videos. She talks about weird stuff and aliens, and she just does such a good job of like sharing facts and interesting information. She also talks about current cases and true crime. Last thing is I'm going to just apply some of this peach butter shade onto my brow bone, and I'll probably go back at this and like buff it out a little bit more later. Aspen Ovard, I really love her videos. Her and Parker are adorable, and she just like makes really great content. I get a lot of like style inspiration. And then something I've recently started doing that I saw a YouTuber I follow do, and I've tried it out just to see if it does help, because I get super oily here and here throughout the day, and it's applying setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray, and you apply it before you do your makeup. So I've been trying that out and I've actually really been liking it. I've noticed significantly less oil coming through. So I kind of just spritz it all around, and then I take my beauty blender and I just kind of tap it in a little bit. On top of that, I apply my primer. Have you guys seen that video of the little boy yodeling in Walmart? Because I have had that song stuck in my head for like the last 3 or 4 days. It's so catchy, and at first I was making fun of it because I was like, why is this little boy yodeling in Walmart? And now I sing it all the time. It's so catchy. I really like this. I think it does make me look just really nice and glowy. This is the Benefit Hello Flawless foundation. It's a really like older foundation, like it's not one of the new ones that has come out recently. This one's been out for like 5 years, but it's tried and true. It's pretty good. My other favorite like go-to foundation is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I think that has such a beautiful glowy finish. I really like that. Already you can see like this has pretty great coverage, and I really like the fact that the undertones in this are so yellow because I have yellow undertones. I'm Asian, and I feel like it's so hard to find good foundation that has yellow undertones that isn't like super dark. So this has been my favorite concealer recently. It is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. Oh, you guys, this is so good and has great coverage, and it has the right undertones. So I just get a little splotch on my finger and I apply it like this, and then I dot some on my nose because my nose is always red. Put some here. I already look so much better. I'd like to thank the Academy. Okay, so then I take my beauty blender and I just blend. Guys, sometime I have to show you guys how I did my makeup in high school. It was like, I feel like there's no other word to describe it other than like tragic, because I had no idea how to really do, like I watched makeup tutorials, but I definitely would say that makeup tutorials were not as advanced as they are now, where they're like, oh, this is how like you find your shade and this is how you blend this. But nobody really talked about the importance of blending before and like blending down, and everybody was using like really dark foundation and like really like bronziness. Like nobody was matching to their color of their skin, and it was just pretty wild for a while on YouTube makeup. But anyways, I used to apply foundation and I'd take this bronzer and I would use a bronzer as my legit powder. As a powder, guys. I was a mess. Okay, so now I'm using the Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just applying that to my under eyes because got to set that concealer, you know. And I also set some down here where I also get oily, and I also set it here where I also get oily. So now I'm going to use my Fit Me pressed powder, and I'm just gonna apply that to the areas that I didn't apply powder already. I look so white! I promise I don't look this white in real life, but I don't know, I guess the camera's trying to play me today. So then I go in with my Too Faced Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. So I really like a sculpted face, so I use kind of a lot of contour because my face is just kind of round and I like to add some angles. Like this. I look so bronze. Okay, so now I go in with my blush brush and I apply some blush. I'm using Tarte's Paaarty blush because I think it's just a really pretty, like natural glowy type of blush. And something I've learned over my years of makeup and experience is apply blush with a light hand. I feel like a lot of people like don't talk about this enough, because I don't know, sometimes you kind of don't realize, like you don't think to consider to use a certain pressure when applying product, but like when you're applying blush you have to use a light hand, otherwise you end up with like those streaks or like those like really bright like patches, and it's just like it doesn't look too cute. Okay, so now I'm going to just finish up my eyes. I really like adding a like smoky line under my eye. I think it looks really cute. So I'm just going to go back with one of my like Junior Mint brushes, these little baby brushes, and I think I'm going to apply this Peach Cobbler shade. It's like kind of like a mauve-y shade. Is that mauve? I don't know. I'm just going to lightly apply this under my eye, like so. And I'm just using a super light hand. I'm not going all the way in. I'm going probably about 2/3 of the way in. I'm going to just take some more of that like peach butter shade. It's just like that white. And I'm applying it to the inner corner and the inner underneath, just to kind of brighten and whiten. And that's my eye look. So now I'm just going to take my favorite brow mascara, which is the NYX, NYX, whatever you want to call it, Tinted Brow Mascara in the color black. And I love this one because, you guys, my eyebrows, they're just like legit black. And I used to really hate it because like I don't know, I feel like they don't really go with me because my hair's brown, but I was born with black eyebrows and brown hair, and it's always been a struggle because people are so mean. But anyways, I finally found this product, and it actually has the color black, and it doesn't make them too black, unlike the Anastasia, which did make my eyebrows too black, but the Sephora lady told me to get it. Yeah, I love this brow mascara because it's light but dark enough, if that makes sense. Ooh, look at my eyebrows, stuntin'. The other product I use is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power, and I just use this for the ends of my eyebrows to kind of sharpen them up a bit and give myself a nice like filled in angle. Otherwise my eyebrows look a little too rounded. I've actually not been wearing winged eyeliner as much. It used to really be like my signature like go-to, but I felt like I was dependent on it. So recently I've been trying not to wear it, and I'm starting to actually like the way I look without winged eyeliner. So it's been a whole thing and I really like it now. So yeah, no winged eyeliner today. But first I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes, and I always kind of do this like little bouncing motion. And something I've done since high school is, as I take them off, I lift up to get a really nice like curled lash. If you guys can see, you get like a really nice curled lash if you do that. So then after that I apply mascara, and I'm applying the Tarteist. I either apply the Tarteist or the Falsies volume, kind of depends. Like this one gives a little bit like longer lashes, this one gives a little bit fuller. Today I'm looking for length. I might just apply both. I don't know. My makeup routine is really just like whatever I feel that day. So I'm just going to apply this like that. Sometimes I kind of like blink into it to make sure my eyelash gets like fully well coated. And there we go. It's one eye. And then I go to the other eye and I do the same thing. I don't know why, but my left eyelashes just like never curl as well as my right eyelashes. It's probably because like my right hand and my right eye, you probably have like a better range of motion, and then when you use your right hand on your left eye, you like have more limited motion. I don't know. So when I'm not wearing my winged eyeliner, I don't apply any mascara on my lower lashes because I feel like it draws attention to my under eye circles. I don't know how to explain it, but it just, I promise guys, it doesn't look as good. All right, so now that my eyes are done, I move on to applying a little highlighter. So I used to hate highlighter, but then I found this highlighter. It is the Marc Jacobs Spotlight Glow Stick, and I think this is just like so beautiful. It's just like a very nice light, kind of looks like deodorant, natural glowy color, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. So the way I apply this without it looking too thick, because things easily look thick on my skin, is I take my beauty blender and I just like rub it on there, and I do that face, and I just kind of lightly pat, and there we go. We have a nice glow, see? And then the last thing I like to do is I love applying highlighter on my nose. I think it's so cute. So I just dot some like this, just on the little bitty part. And then sometimes I'll even get some going like up my nose. So I make sure I only apply enough to where it just looks kind of cute and glowy. That much to where I look like Rudolph or something. But see, I think this is just so cute. and it's just like the perfect amount of glowy without looking like super highlighted, because I can't pull off the super highlighted look. It's not my look. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm just going to apply a little bit more of this Urban Decay All Nighter spray. So I really like to make sure things are locked into place, because if I am filming all day or if I'm going out somewhere, I don't like running makeup. I like things to just be there until I take it off. Finally, for my lipstick, I am using my favorite brand, which is the Milani lipsticks that look like this. They just like pinky or nude. All I wear are nudes. This one is Naturally Chic. It's just a very cute pink color. There. Why is it so dark? Come on now. Okay, and I believe that's it. If I can just get this to like brighten up a bit. Okay, so that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys liked it, and I think it turned out very cute. I have been loving this look lately, and let me show you guys with my hair down. Dang, my hair looks good. I think I'm on like day 4 or 5 of like not washing my hair. And I'm finally posting that video. I think it might be up before this is up. It's where I share my tips on how I go longer without washing my hair and how I maintain my hairstyle throughout the week. So if you guys want to see that video, it's probably already live, and if not, it'll go live soon after this. Oh no, I have a tangle in my hair. There we go. So anyways, this is the look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys want to see more get ready with me's or makeup routines, just let me know. And I think that's it for today. I'm gonna go make some awesome content for you guys. I'm filming a haul, a what's in my vacation bag, and another haul. I have like a bunch of hauls to film. So anyways, wrapping this video up, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon.